Welcome to a 10 minutes full body stretch practice. Before we start, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's start with the practice. Okay, so before we start our exercise, as it always preferred that you warm up your body. But in case you have less time, like me here, don't you worry. The first couple of exercises will heat up your body and make you ready for the session. Okay, so the first practice is standing straight, inhaling, taking the arms up, and exhaling, bringing the body down in forward fold. Inhale, you receive up, and exhale, you bend down. As simple as that. You have to keep your legs straight. जितना हो सके उतना straight रखना है. नीचे बहुत ज़्यादा जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's completely fine. Keep your body light and don't take a lot of pressure. Couple of more rounds, guys. Just straighten your hands up towards the sky and bring it down. And stop. One breath. So this is a break, and I know the break has come really fast, but don't you worry because picture abhi baki hai dosto. Now I'm going to stretch my neck muscles using my opposite hand on my opposite ear to stretch the neck muscles. Very simple, just stretching the neck and rotating the neck side to side, stretching the hands, interlacing my right elbow with my left hand at the back so that my right side of the body stretches fully and completely. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Press our right hand into your left elbow and then stretch your left side. Stretching the left triceps, keep the body straight while you do that stretch. Next, bring your right hand close to your chest and press the right hand to the chest using your left palm. Feel the stretch on the outer side of your right arm. And repeat it on the other side. Same thing. Bringing the left hand close to the chest while you stretch using your right elbow or your right hand. There are some deep stretches that we are working on here. Interlacing the fingers at the back. Roll the shoulders back and down. Inhale, lift the chest up hard, up towards the ceiling, towards the sky. Now stand here and keep breathing. Couple of breaths. The trick is to pull your hands down as much as possible towards the floor, towards the earth, and lift the chest up towards the sky. Couple of deeper breaths here. Stay with me and release. Now let's stretch our lower body. Fold your left leg and grab hold of your left ankle using the hands at the back, just back side of your hips. You can use both your hands to grab hold of your ankle, or you can use one hand, whatever is comfortable. Feel the stretch on the quadriceps at the outside edge of your thighs. Balance your body, or you can take support to balance the body in this position. Next one, you're going to go for lunge pose. Right leg is bent, right knee above your right ankle, left leg goes back. Just hop forward and back a little bit. Pulse your body weight forward and back. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Pulse the body weight forward and back. Go for a deeper stretch here. Once you are done, release. Sit in Dandasana, legs straight. Inhale, straighten the hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Bring your hands towards your leg and bend forward, bringing the chest down towards the thigh as much as possible. Keep breathing, hold the pose, normal, deeper breaths here. After a couple of deeper breaths, slowly release the pose and you're going to go for lizard pose, yani hip opening once again. So right knee is bent, right knee above your right ankle, left leg is back. This time the whole left leg is down on the floor and you bring your elbows down if you feel comfortable. Stay there, hold the pose and then change on the other side. Again, go for a deeper stretch on the other side. Keep your elbows down if you feel comfortable, otherwise you can keep your palms also down. Once you are ready, release, come back to tabletop, but bring your palms so that your fingers are facing towards you. Now move your body forward and back so that you can feel a deeper stretch on your inner forearm, your inner arms. Okay, this is the part that we always forget to stretch. So bring it forward and back so that you give a good stretch to your inside of your arms, especially elbows, elbow joint. Slowly reverse your hands. You come back to tabletop pose and the famous and the most casual stretch, cat and cow. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up. Exhale, curve your spine. Couple of breaths. Inhale and exhale. Do it at your own pace. How many ever rounds you can do. Do not worry about my video. You can anytime pause it and you can anytime repeat it. Next we are practicing twisted bhujangasana. So lie down, lift your head up, chest up, bhujangasana, cobra pose, and then you're going to twist and look towards your respective foot. So you're going to twist right side, look to your right big toe, come back center and twist towards the left side, look towards your left toe and come back center and repeat. Right and left, left and right. One more unique stretch that we can do here is stretching the shoulders. You sit in tabletop, then go down, bring the right hand down on the floor, left hand straighten up and press your shoulder down, right shoulder down. Feel the stretch on the right side. Once you are done, repeat the same thing on the other side. Left hand comes down, right hand is up and keep breathing. Feel the stretch on the shoulders. Let's work upon our next stretch. Stand up and then fold forward, keeping your legs spread as wide as possible. You can bring your body weight on your palm and stay there, keep breathing. You're folding forward while you're stretching and opening your hips. So stretching the inner thighs. Stay there for a couple of deeper breaths. Once you're ready, come back to the mat. Fold your knees accordingly so that your sole of the foot touching each other and you flap your legs. Butterfly, a beautiful stretch and a very famous stretch again in yoga practice. Once you do the flapping 40-50 rounds, you can fold forward and challenge your forward fold here, trying to bring the chest down or your face down towards the floor. Next, lie down on your back and you're going to fold both the knees and twist it towards the right side. Hands are spread wide, shoulder level. Then lift both the knees off the floor and take both the knees towards the left side. And practice the same thing. Reclining twist while keeping your arms stretched shoulder level. Deeper breaths, relax your body. Next, you're going to fold your right ankle and place it on the left thigh and grab hold of your left thigh. Bring it close towards the body and feel the stretch. And we are going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Guys, every practice we are doing only for 30 seconds and that's how the time is flying here. But I promise you the next practice, the next exercise, you're gonna love it. Happy baby pose. From here, fold your legs so that you can reach your big toes. Now bring your knees down towards the floor. Keep the knees separated, legs separated wide. And bring it down as much as possible. Relax here. Take a couple of deeper breaths here. Stay here for as much as time you want. Trust me, it's a beautiful stretch as well as it's one of the restorative poses that you can practice when you are really tired and especially before bed. Once you're done with this, the last and the beautiful stretch that we do at every practice is child pose balasana. Your hands stretch forward, hips are down on your heels and the whole body, the front part, is pressing towards the floor or to your mat. Stay here, couple of breaths, and I hope you're liking my videos and you're practicing it with me. Please do share how you like this video. Did you practice it? How much stretch did you feel? And I'm sure if you do it regularly, it is going to improve your flexibility like anything. Let me enjoy some peaceful moment, and meanwhile, bye bye, take care. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.